This is the WELGEE puzzle table, and I'm very thankful to WELGEE for sending it to me. My mom is an avid puzzle maker. She has trouble leaning over the table, so I'm going to put this together and show you guys what it looks like. All right, I've got all the pieces together. It's really cool. It has connectors that go in each of these spots, and then the brackets just stay on there. Let's see if I can flip this over one-handed, and I cannot. I got to add that brace back in. All right, got it turned over. Okay, first of all, there's a lip on either side, so you can assemble it however you want to, but check this out. There's little rubber feet. Hold on. Can you see the little rubber feet? So it's not going anywhere. It's not going to slide. Another thing I like about this is that these aren't going to slide either. If they're on the shiny side, they might slide, but on the cardboard side, they're not going anywhere. So this is a really cool puzzle board, and for someone who doesn't want to lean over or is uncomfortable leaning over, it just gives you lots of nice workspace. One more thing I want to show you is it does come in this box that has a handle on it. So if you want to put it away, it just comes right apart and it can go right in the box for storing. So I really like that too. It's a good touch. I really like this puzzle board, and I thank the brand for sending it to me. Thanks for watching.